Hey! So, usual Monday fashion. We're picking up stuff from an auction again. Never took a lap. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
So, it's Monday. You know what that means.
Rabbit barn day.
It's a rabbit barn day. We have come back to the rabbit barn to pick up our winnings.
We didn't get that much this time.
I did. Sarah didn't.
I only got $30.
Yeah, I spent $117. So.
That's because I'm thrifty.
Anyways, we're gonna go get our stuff and we'll meet you back at the house and show you what we got. Okay, and we're back home. And here is everything we got from the auction, except for the cat who won't move. He decided he wants to be next to the cat.
He's so thick.
He's very chubby. But anyways, so starting with, we got a whole bunch of Matchbox and Hot Wheels cars. Nothing super rare here. In fact, this is all the same car. They're probably worth, you know, a couple bucks a piece, but we didn't pay too much for them. So next, we got this Penguins Evgeny Malkin jersey. It's the Winter Classic colors. So I might keep it. I'm not sure yet. And then we've got some Star Trek collectible cards from 1991. Looks like they were priced already. We got a vintage hairdryer. Look at this thing. It's got like a stand. And it works, believe it or not. We just tried it and it didn't explode. So that's good. And then Sarah got some Nickelodeon DVDs.
I didn't get those on purpose.
They came with the...
Yeah, specifically, it was a lot of DVDs in the Cabbage Patch Kid, and y'all know how I love the Cabbage Patch Kids.
But there was a surprise in it.
Yeah, GameCube game.
A GameCube game. How about that? Some of these are probably going to get donated.
Yeah, probably.
What's in the Sharper Image box?
I think it's like a personal grooming tool. Yeah. This I actually just bought for the Avon perfumes. This was in this box of stuff, of random things. So like the soap and like the toilet paper thing, the pill crusher, and there's some like generic hearing aids in here. A loofah, and some like glasses, nose pads. But I basically just bought it for the Avons.
Oh, and there's a hair and ear.
Yeah, and nose and ear trimmer.
Okay.
Yeah, and this little thing, this was actually a separate thing. It's like a wall pocket that you hang it on your wall. So I don't know, I thought it was kind of cool. And then this was a separate one too, the juice glass from Heinz. So there's that.
Then we got some books.
These are all local Pennsylvania books.
Yeah. Then we got
Golden books.
Golden books, Chip and Dale. And then we got the Cabbage Patch. She's got a little hat and a spoon and her
and a tooth.
And she's got one.
I love the ones with one tooth.
Sarah may keep this one. The box is kind of jacked.
Oh yeah, we got this thing too. This is going straight in the garbage.
What is it?
It's like a back. You put a thing over the top of it. It's like a back scrubbing brush. It was like randomly in the box.
Anyways, there's the Cabbage Patch. 25th anniversary Cabbage Patch.
With one tooth.
Yeah, with one tooth.
So precious.
Sarah's probably going to keep that. And that's it. We did stop by a thrift store and got some jeans. Just one pair of jeans. They were pretty cleaned out. But it was a True Religion pair of jeans, so that was decent. And that's it. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't, I'm going to keep asking. We did just cross over 700 subscribers just about 10 minutes ago. So probably be doing another giveaway, so look forward to that. But I still want you to subscribe. So Subscribe to the channel. Just click that button. It's like right here to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir! Good day, sir!